Yildiz is pregnant.
Are you sure ikaw ang ama?
Ano ibig mo sabihin?
The past few days lang pinagdududahan mo siya at gusto mo na siyang paalisin. Then yesterday happened and your feelings shifted all of a sudden, huh? Sigurado ka bang walang nangyari sa kanila ni Kemal?
Yildiz lied to me so she wouldn't lose me. Hindi niya magagawa ang ganong bagay.
Mukhang wala na sa picture ang divorce, ha?
I haven't changed my mind, but I can't just go and divorce her while she's pregnant.
Ilang beses kang kukumbinsihin ni Yildiz until she gives birth to that child.
Nag-aalala ka ba para sa atin?
Sa atin, sa anak natin, nag-aalala ako para sa lahat, Halit.
Ender, there's no need to worry about Erim. I've secured the future of my children.
But what about us? Will I keep being your mistress?
There's no us. There was never an us.
You're right. I can see that. But I deserve better than this. Hindi ako ganito. Gusto ko ng maayos na relationship. I can't just fool around like this forever.
Okay naman ang lahat ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung anong gusto mo.
Okay. Pag-isipan mong maigi. Hindi kita istorbohin.